Hey there, fellow travelers. If you're a Chase Sapphire cardholder, you're in for a treat because your card comes packed with some fantastic travel insurance perks. Today, we're diving into how to use Chase Sapphire travel insurance to make your trips smoother and less stressful. Let's get started. First off, what exactly does this insurance cover? Chase Sapphire Reserve and Preferred cards offer benefits like trip cancellation and interruption coverage, which can reimburse you up to $10,000 per trip for unforeseen events like illness or severe weather. You'll also get baggage delay insurance, lost luggage reimbursement, and even auto rental collision damage waiver. But remember, coverage varies by card, so double-check your specific policy on the Chase website. Now, how do you actually use it? The key is to pay for your trip with your Chase Sapphire card or rewards points. This activates the insurance automatically for most benefits. For example, if you're booking a flight or hotel, use your card to ensure you're covered. It's that simple. What if something goes wrong? Let's say your flight gets canceled and you need to file a claim. Don't panic. Head to the Chase website or app, log into your account, and look for the Benefits section. There, you'll find detailed instructions on how to submit a claim. You'll typically need to provide documentation like receipts, itineraries, and proof of the incident. Aim to file within 20 days of the event to avoid any issues. A few pro tips to keep in mind. Always read the fine print for exclusions, such as pre-existing conditions or trips booked with other cards. Keep all your travel receipts in one place, and consider purchasing additional insurance if you're heading to high-risk areas. This way, you're fully prepared. In summary, Chase Sapphire travel insurance is a powerful tool that can save you money and hassle on your adventures. Make sure to leverage it on your next trip. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more travel tips. Safe travels, everyone. See you in the next video.